Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Revolut Ultra versus Amex Platinum UK comparison. Today, we're diving into a premium card face-off, Revolut Ultra versus the American Express Platinum. Both are powerhouse cards in the UK market, packed with luxury perks and travel rewards. But which one truly fits your lifestyle? Let's find out. Starting with cost, Amex Platinum comes in £720 a year or £60 monthly, while Revolut Ultra costs £540 annually if paid upfront or the same £60 per month, making Revolut the slightly cheaper option. When it comes to reward, Amex earns you one membership rewards points per £1 spent, which can be transferred to a wide range of airline and hotel partners. Revolut Ultra also gives 1 point per £1 redeemable for miles, holidays, and more. Though Amex wins for flexibility with its broader transfer network, in travel perks, Amex offers over 1,300 airport lounges, elite hotel status, and full travel insurance. Revolut Ultra counters with unlimited lounge access, global medical coverage up to £10 million, and car hire insurance worth up to £2,000 annually. For fees, Amex charges a 2% foreign transaction fee, while Revolut has none of weekdays and include free ATM withdrawals up to £2,000 a month, perfect for travelers. So which one should you pick? Go for Amex Platinum if you value premium travel perks and top-tier rewards, but choose Revolut Ultra if you want digital convenience, lower fees, and everyday flexibility. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.